Hello and welcome to English class. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. I am Haris Hayat and I have done Master in English from Namal University along with the 4 years of experience as an English lecturer in most prestigious institute. So that's all about my introduction. Now I would like to discuss about the topic that is paragraph writing. Why I choose this topic, the reason behind it, it's very important. Specifically, I am talking about academic writing. If we are talking about academic writing, so we need to write something in the form of sentences, but not random sentences. First of all, what is paragraph? So a group of sentences that deals with a single idea is called a paragraph. Now most people write random ideas in one paragraph that are not considered to be as paragraph. One of the most mistakes that people make in academic writing is they are discussing several or different ideas in one paragraph which does not convey proper meaning. So as far as paragraph writing constituent parts are concerned, so there are three main parts of paragraph writing. Number first is topic sentence, number second is supportive sentences, number third is conclusion. So whenever we came across a writing or paragraph that is consist of these three elements, so a full marks will be given to the fulfillment of the task. Now what is topic sentence? So topic sentence means a main idea of paragraph. Usually we write in the beginning of the paragraph, but it's not always the case. Sometimes we start paragraph from general way and then move towards specific writing. So in most cases we usually write main idea in the first line and that we call it topic sentence. One of the most important key to write a good paragraph is a good topic sentence. We use expressive language, but according to the detail, ideas are arranged in a sequence that everyone can understand it. So whenever we write a good topic sentence, it sets the tone, it sets the background for the rest of paragraph. The second and foremost important point is supportive sentences. Now whatever has been said in the paragraph, it must be supported through evidence, through facts, through example, through data analysis, some kind of details that support the main idea. And the last thing, that is conclusion. So what had said earlier before in the paragraph, we should paraphrase them in some other words, or we should give up our point of view. That is very important. So one most important thing that lack in most of the academic writing in paragraphs especially, so there are certain characteristics that must be in mind how to write a good paragraph. So number first and foremost is all ideas must be related to one another. So ideas are logically connected. It creates a strong background and the audience will easily get it. What the point is, what the point you are making. If ideas are not logically connected means that they are haphazard, so there will be a problem for the audience, for the reader. They won't be able to get anything. The second and the most important point is use of cohesive devices. You may call it connector sometime and transitional device as well. If you want to add some idea with another, so we must use transitional device. Third and foremost important point is avoid repetition. If we use words over and again, vocabulary over and again, so it shows lack of vocabulary. If a person who is writing a paragraph or academic writing, article, essay, if he keeps repeating these words over and again, so there will be a problem for the reader. In fact, it won't say it's a problem, but it will be a kind of repetition and boring. So in order to bring the variety, we use different expression. These are the characteristics of a good paragraph. Now let's take the example of a paragraph. So trees serve as an important or beneficial assets to humanity. Suppose this is our topic sentence. Trees serve as beneficially important or beneficially assets to society. Now let's move this sentence, support this sentence with the help of arguments, with the help of facts, with the help of some other supportive sentences. So first of all, how trees are beneficially, how trees serve as important a vital role to humanity. Let's support this sentence with argument. So first of all, they produce oxygen, which is vital for respiration. Additionally, they provide furniture, which has been used in different industries. Thirdly, they provide shade in hot and summer days, which is a kind of relief in scorching heat. And there may be more benefits we can get it. So that's how all supportive sentences must support the topic sentence. These are called supportive sentences. Let's move toward the conclusion. Now, what would be conclusion? So conclusion is one of the most important element. Many people take it not seriously, they just conclude it. But I make sure, I guarantee you that if you will write a good conclusion, it will become a good paragraph. So what have said, by providing numerous benefit, we should protect our trees to help our environment because they are beneficial for human being and wildlife. Thanks for watching.